Welcome to Shoot Moment. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to transform an empty meadow video into a gloomy, cloudy, and rainy mountainside scene using CapCut's masking and auto cutout features. I have added all the resource file links used in this project in the video description, so you can follow along with me. Before we dive into the project, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss out on more tutorials like this. First, drag the meadow video onto the timeline. We are going to add a cloudy, lightning-filled sky to the sky area of this video. Drag this cloudy video onto the timeline and adjust the colors to give the sky a gloomy look. Go to the Effects tab and search for Lightning Effects. Apply the lightning crack effect to the sky video and adjust the details as needed. Select both the sky video and the effect, then right-click and create a compound clip. Now position the sky video over the main footage. Select the sky video. Go to the Mask tab located under the Video section and apply the horizontal mask. When applying the horizontal mask, leave a gap between the meadow and the sky video, as we will be adding a mountain range between the sky and the meadow. If you are unsure how to use masking correctly, be sure to check out my How to Replace the Sky tutorial in the CapCut playlist. Our next step is to add a mountain range to the video. First, drag the mountain image over the video. Then, select the image. Go to the Remove BG tab and apply the Custom Removal option. You have two additional options under Custom Removal, Smart Brush and Smart Eraser. Use the Smart Brush to select the area you want to keep. Then, use the Smart Eraser to remove any unwanted areas from your selection. After making the selection, click Apply to confirm the selected area. Drag the same mountain image again and select an area to create the mountain range we need for the video. We will use the same mountain image to create the mountain range by combining them. Now select both of them and create a compound clip. One important thing to remember: if you want to make changes to individual clips after creating a compound clip, select the Undo Compound Clip option from the right-click menu, and then you can make the changes. Next, we will match the mountains with the meadow. To do this, select the mountain image and again apply the horizontal mask. Place the mountain range image close to the horizon of the meadow before applying the horizontal mask. When applying the mask to the mountain range, carefully adjust the feather option to blend it with the meadow. If this is difficult, I recommend watching the mask tutorial in my CapCut playlist. Now we will adjust the image's colors to match the rest of the scene. Select the mountain image and go to the Adjustment tab to modify the colors. Next, we will add a house and a tree to the meadow using the same method we used for the mountain range. After adding them, adjust the colors to blend with the environment. Now we will add the tree and follow the same steps. When using custom removal, be sure to choose the correct brush size to accurately select small areas of the image. We are almost done. Now we will add some effects and color filters to transform the atmosphere into a much gloomier, rainy weather environment. First, I will add this mist effect and adjust the settings to create a misty look. This fog effect will create a dark, foggy atmosphere. This blue-gray filter will give the scene a rainy, blue-gray look. I will also add this cinematic LUT from the Adjustment tab. If you don't know how to add LUTs in CapCut, you can refer to my tutorial on how to add LUTs in my CapCut playlist. As the last effect, I will add the rain effect to create a light rain in the atmosphere. Sound effects play a major role in video editing, and you can easily find great ones in CapCut's audio library. For this project, I will add a rain and thunder background music clip from CapCut's audio library. Now that all the edits are done, we will play the video. Finally, to create a single clip from all the tracks, select all the layers and create a compound clip. Alright, this brings us to the end of the project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can also check out my Complete CapCut playlist to learn more. Thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial.